Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Ahrefs Site Audit to detect technical SEO issues. Detailed guide step by. Open your web browser and navigate to the Ahrefs website. Log into your Ahrefs account using your credentials. Once logged in, find the Site Audit tool in the dashboard. Click on Site Audit to access the tool. Select the New Project button to initiate a new audit. Enter the URL of the website you want to audit in the provided field. Choose a project name that reflects the website or purpose. Set the crawl settings according to your preferences, including the user agent and crawl depth. In the bot settings, you can choose to include or exclude specific sections of your site. Configure the schedule for the audit if you want it to run automatically. Click the Next button to proceed to the next step. Review your settings and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, click Start Audit to begin the crawling process. Wait for Ahrefs to complete the crawl, which may take a few minutes. When the audit is finished, you will be redirected to the Overview dashboard. Here, you will see an overall health score for your website. Scroll down to review the categorized list of technical SEO issues. Click on each category to dive deeper into specific issues. Investigate critical errors, warnings, and notices for insights into your site's performance. For each flagged issue, Ahrefs will provide descriptions and suggestions for fixing them. Take notes on the most pressing issues that need attention. Plan your remediation strategy based on the severity and number of issues. Once changes are made to your site, consider rerunning the audit for updated results. Regularly monitoring your site with Ahrefs can help maintain optimal SEO health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.